Alright guys, how's it going? MotoVlogger here again! Hello, that was very aggressive, I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry. How's it going guys? MotoVlogger here again, back with another video. How are we all doing? Look at this weather. It's beautiful. I've been out on the bike in 2 weeks. Okay. Thank you. You fucking weirdo. That old lad was not happy with me being on the crosswalk. He hit my tyre. I was literally on it about half a tyre's width. So, he's just a little baby. Bike is still so cold. Oh, the beast is sounding beautiful today. Hello, beast. The tires are still nice and cold though, so wait for them to warm up before I do anything. Oh, it's sounding beautiful today. My visor is covered in shit as well. My boot is coming undone. Oh my god, everything's just a disaster today. I have my card, my bank card, my license, my keys in this pocket, and it's zipped up. So the way today is going already, it's gonna come undone, and I'm gonna be pissed off. But anyway guys, I hope you're well. I'm having a great day. Nice pleasant day for a spin. God. As I said, I haven't actually been out in 2 weeks. The weather is so nice today. It's meant to piss rain tomorrow, so I said I need to go out today to give the bike a bit of a run. Power mode. I'm in traction control mode 3. Excuse me. Number 1. Get back to number 1, sonny. But I'm happy to be out in this beautiful weather. I have my leathers on because I really needed to try them on, because I haven't tried them on since, oh my god, since the summer of last year. And you know, we've been in lockdown ever since, so I'm happy to report that they fit, and dare I say, slightly more roomy. I don't know, normally they'd pull right up into my my little dragons down here, but they're not. So that's a good thing. I have actually lost weight. I've been minding myself, been minding what I'm doing. Well, minding what I'm eating really. I still haven't been exercising, even though I've been saying I need to start again. But I just haven't been like scuffing my face and everything, so I'm happy that seems to be working. But as per usual, I don't really have an agenda. I don't really have a place to go. I needed to get out on the bike and spin around. Also, actually, I'm happy to report, because I do say this in every video, I do mention the current lockdown restrictions. I think we're still in level 5 technically, but we can now travel within our county. I did mention it in my last video. Oh my god, the last video was actually was the last time I was on the bike. But yeah, we can travel within our counties and 20 kilometers outside of our county. So it's still shit because I still don't really have anywhere to go. Like, I could go to, say, Skerries or Hope, where all the other bikes to be, but every other bike in the country is going to be there, so I'm just going to go out my own. And I'm still just trying not to like mix with as many households as possible, just keeping myself and Mrs. Dragon safe, and her 2 cats, of course. They are most important. My kids, I am adopted, or they have adopted me, I think is the term, because I don't know if I mentioned it, but we have 2 cats, and they're Mrs. Dragon's cats. I do not like them. Not them as in the 2 of them. I actually really like those 2 cats, they're class. But cats in general I hate. My hands are covered in scratches and bites, because cats don't know how to play, because they have really sharp claws, and they're stinky, and they poop in litter boxes, and ew. And the hair, oh the hair. I hate animal hair. And there's animal hair everywhere. As much as we try to get rid of it, we have every bleeding lint brush and hair removal brush in the world. There's hair everywhere. I can't see my little knob.
That's what she said.
My twisty knob. Oh, that's already a little bit nicer. Yeah. Twist it in a little bit. Bit of a better bite on it. I can't wait to do an actual video on them. I can go out and spin around. It's going to be amazing. But I did say in my last video that we're all trying to organise a track day, and I can happily say that we are doing it. May the 2nd, I think it is. I can't actually remember. I think it's, yeah, May the 2nd. Me, what will Grant do? The Gorilla Biker, my mate Rob, my mate David, or Dahi, you see him on my videos. Who else is going? One of the subs, Chunky Mitts, Chunky. He's going. I think it's his first time. It's the Gorilla Biker's first time. He also got a sexy. Apart from him being sexy, of course, he also got one of the lovely Insta360s that I can't wait, because he said I can stick it on my handlebars and do a session or a few laps. So that's going to be amazing. I think what I'll do is I'll either, because I booked the intermediate track day because I only went in advanced once and that was the last time I went, so I'm a bit rusty. So I said, right, I'll do intermediates, and if it's quiet I'll move back up, or if I get the feeling back again I'll move back up to advanced. So I might do the Insta on a nice clean advanced session, because like if I can find my pace again, I keep up with the advanced lads and I don't get lapped. So I don't know would that be boring or not, because I'll just be on my own. Like I might get overtaken, you know, from a few late starters maybe, and also in advance there's some people that are actually just stupid fast. Oh no, I wanted to like have a little bit of fun through these corners. This little section here is just so nice on the bike, and now there's no point overtaking because we're going into, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I'm sorry. Every video is going to be boring. How sexy do I look though with my leathers on and my hood? This is my bike hoodie. I always wear this on my leathers because the leathers can just be slightly cold sometimes, so this just takes the chill off. And I actually love the look of a hoodie over leathers, or just a hoodie on a bike, but I'd never wear an actual hoodie. I have done it once or twice, but at least I'm protected if anything happens, and what might look, it might. So safety first, kids. Well, I'm so fucking excited. We're all doing the track day. It's going to be amazing. Gorilla Biker's bringing his Gixxer, and I would love to have a shot of it on the track, but I don't want to because it's not my bike. I don't want to crash someone else's bike. I'm fine with crashing my own bike. Look, it's mine, it's mine. I don't want to have to pay to fix someone else's bike when it's not mine. They'll see the benefit, I won't. Did you stop recording? Excuse me? Why did this stop recording? The front camera. Hello? Hello? What's wrong? Why did you stop recording on me? It's been doing that lately and I don't know why. Why do I always have problems when it comes to buying stuff? God. Oh, the wind is lovely. But I'm so excited. It's going to be amazing. And especially because Grant has gotten nice and fast and I've gotten fast. I'm still saying I'm faster because he's not in advanced yet. I've done my sub 2 minute lap. I don't think he has. So it's going to be a battle of the ages. I'm still waiting for the excuses, Grant. You know, oh, when you're on 1,000, I'm on a 600. It's like, well, that's no excuse because I was overtaking people on my MT-07. So keep up, bitch. I was also getting lapped before on people on SV650s on my first track day on this bike. So yeah, it's all about the pilot. So this should be good. I'm hoping that we have a nice battle, and yeah, I just can't wait. I love, as I said, like, and you've seen my videos probably toned down a lot since my accident, definitely, but also since getting bigger, like more into Mondello, which actually just happens to be the same year. You know, I'm not arsed being a hooligan, as they say. Like, I have a nice hooligan bike, but I also have a perfectly clean license, and I'm young on a very nice bike. So if I get stopped or if I do something really stupid, they're gonna make an example of me. Oh my god, all the cars here, Jesus. Oh god, did I make a mistake? I made a mistake, methinks, coming here. not arsed being a hooligan. Like, I love riding fast, doing the odd wheelie, blah blah blah, but I'm just not arsed because it's not just my bike license that's at risk, it's my everything license, you know, my car license and all that. So I just have to be somewhat careful of it, and I just don't want to be an arsehole, you know. I'd rather just spend my 165 quid and go to Mondello, where I can go as fast as I want, do all the wheelies I want, and it's so much more fun than riding on the road. Riding on the road gets boring. Is the beach open again? Beach closed to vehicles, but yet there's vehicles all over the vehicle, all over the beach. Missus, can you please drive your fucking car more than 30 kilometers an hour, please? Fucking hell. Oh, that's a ball. Oh, it's okay, it's not coming your way. Where'd that come from? Oh my god, can we fucking drive, please? Jesus! Oh, sick it. This was a mistake. Oh, it's all these slow people looking for spaces. Well, there are not spaces there, so you don't need to worry. God, I hate doing videos like this. Rambly, shitty, talky videos stuck behind cars and traffic. Like, look at this. Oh, come on. Fuck's sake. I just want to go. Please. I haven't gone on the bike in 2 weeks and this is what I'm doing. Oh, what are we doing now? Fucking hell. Oh my god. What's going on? Come on, Mercedes. Come on. You're in an AMG. Speed up. Hey, bit of fun. Come on, you bastard. But yeah, all I really wanted to say was that we're doing the track day. It's happening, and I really can't wait. How many minutes ago I mentioned that, but yeah, I'm just so excited, and I'm so excited to have the Gorilla biker out, because he said he's always wanted to go out on track, but now you can. And I know he was saying that he wants to do like quite a different type of video. Like, I normally just throw up my onboards and be done with it, and I will do that, but I also want to try do a different type of video as well. I was thinking of some sort of like breakdown of like what I'm doing and why and stuff like that. I don't know, just want to try something different, because I don't really record going to the Mondello, because I just keep all my batteries for the track, because, you know, GoPro batteries don't really last that long. And I was thinking I would love to get, say, Michael's on board and break it down for a brand new first time on a track. Like, I'm no professional, you know. I'm by no means the quickest either. Like, I'm really not. I would like to break it down for like a brand new rider, or a person who's brand new to the track, their very first time. I think that'd be interesting, because my first time was shocking. I think that would be interesting. I think that'd be fun to do. And I'm not necessarily going to be like, you know, oh, here's how you be faster and all that stuff, because, as I said, I'm not professional. I'm by no means qualified, or I'm not even allowed to do that. But I think it would be fun, considering I remember my first track day and I was so shit and I was so scared. Like everyone is scared, and it's hard to, you know, when you're after doing a few track days, it's hard to say to someone, it's like, don't be scared, because there is nothing to be afraid of, because it's when you're scared is when you actually make all the mistakes. Yeah, I want to see his footage and just maybe break it down, compare it to mine, see where the main differences is. You know, I think the main differences are going to be quite obvious, you know, not only in like your main speed, but braking zones and braking into corners and all that stuff. Corner entry and exit, we'll say. Obviously that's going to be a main difference. But the cool thing about Mondello is that your actual speed, as weird as it sounds, your actual speed doesn't mean a thing, because it's such a technical, tight track. And away we go. But I think that'd be fun to do. Is that a dog or a dead badger? I think it's a dead badger. the bike, the bike, the wonderful wizard of bike. Like even in 6th gear, this bike, man, is over the bumps. It's still, oh, I didn't really do it that time. It still lifts over bumps. It's class. Oh. That sounded beautiful, and I don't think the camera picked it up because of the wind noise. Oh, 12,000 kilometers! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, spin. And around we go. And overtake we go. Oh, I did that time. Jesus, that was a moist towelette. Whatever caused that to spin, we'll never know. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think I'm going to end the video here, guys. Oh, look at this view. See if I can get a nice photo for the old Instagram. But guys, look, I'm going to end the video here on this beautiful view. Oh, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for all the It's a weird place to end the video. Why did you slip, Tyre? I really want to know. You're nice and warm. I think it was just the road for you guys. But yeah, stay tuned for the track videos that we're going to do. I can't wait to do them. But look, guys, look at this video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Look at this beast. Ooh. And I'll talk to all of you in the next video. Peace out, bitches.